Hello world! A fulfilling relationship is enjoyed by two people who intentionally create balance, safety, and meaningful connection. The only way to do that is by understanding each other's need and how to meet those needs by gaining each other's trust and respect. Being emotionally reactive, aggressive, or avoidant is not going to allow you both to meet each other's need. Better negotiation strategies will. You were not taught this. None of us were. We were taught how to either manipulate or to be a people pleaser to get what we need from each others. Or we learn to stop asking all together because we were taught how we feel or what we want doesn't matter. You don't have to live like this or be constantly unhappy in your relationship. You can learn how to negotiate fairly, get your needs, meet and create a win-win situation that build trust and respect. Your willingness to step up and become the creator of your own life and destiny demonstrates courage. Don't give up on yourself and who you can become. Show the world that you can conquer your fears with the strength and resilience of your heart. Remember, the only true courage is absolute vulnerability. Until you learn how to be brave enough to be open and honest, you will struggle with confidence, self-love, and self-respect. By Joel Clemons. As Paris Fashion Week, Michele also attended the Enfants Reaches the Primes show, as Infantes Reaches the Primes. French for the press rich kids is not just a fashion brand, it's a statement. Founded in 2012 by Henry Alexander Levy, the brand emerged from a collision of wealth, rebellion, and art. A self-described conceptual artist and a child of privilege, Henry created ERD as both a critic and celebration of nihilism, elitism, and punk subculture. The label is based between Los Angeles and Paris, reflecting its dual nature, both raw and refined, both American grit and European cool. Henry's complex personal history is etched into the brand. His life has been marked by contradictions, money and self-loathing, rebellion and indulge, anonymity and fame. Rather than running from those contradictions, Henry has channeled them into his designs and downface, shredded leather, obscure references to the idealism and nihilism, and produced in extremely limited runs. What the people want, they don't know what they want. Henry once said, I just make what I want. That refusal to follow trend is exactly what made him influential. The ERD aesthetic is unmistakable. Think destroyed t-shirt featuring scrolled artwork and cryptic slogans, oversized knits with offbeat graphics, hand-painted vintage leather jacket, and studded bombers that feels like relics from a dystopian nightclub. The pieces are never mass-produced. Mass items are made in runs of fewer than 100, while others are entirely one by one. Many pieces are made by hand in ERD's Los Angeles studio, adding an artisan layers to what may look like punk chaos at first glance. Everything ERD put out is rooted in Henry's obsession with authenticity and subversion. Many of the garments are genderless, intentionally ugly, or designed to provoke discomfort. The vibe is deliberately anti-corporate, even though the price point is squarely in the luxury realm. Graphic tees often retail for over $300 and jacket can go for 1,000. In a world flooded with mass-market streetwear, ERD is refreshingly untouchable. Despite its in-your-face exclusivity, ERD has developed a devoted cult following. Celebrities like Travis Scott, Future, Kanye West, Rihanna, Jared Leto, and Courtney Love have all been seen in ERD pieces. The brand has been stuck at high-end concept stores like Maxfield in LA, The Webster in Miami, and Excelsior in Milan. Though availability is purposely limited, ERD isn't about accessibility, it's about taste, wealth, and defiance. ERD is now available at Fuel. From limited run graphic tees to handwork outwear, they carry carefully selected pieces that represent the essence of Enfants Reaches the Primes, conceptual, provocative, and always ahead of the curve. For those who get it, there's nothing else like it.
Grazie mille. Ciao. Oh my god.
Thank you, Michele. Sir, can you do a pause real quick? Can you pause? Era questo? Can you take a picture? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Michele. Thank you. Can I take a picture? I am fun. I am fun. Hey. Thank you. Appreciate it. Make with your brother. Yeah. I'm a good ass. Thank you.
Deixa eu não montar demais.
Pourquoi t'es parti maintenant? Mais c'est chaotique.
I got mine. Let's finish on the left. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Oh, do you like Paris? I love Paris. You love Paris? Thank you. Yes. Oh, pardon. Enjoy your night. Thank you, appreciate it. Goodbye. Thank you, you're the best. Buonasera.
You're counting?
Yeah. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7.
Someone wants to say hi.
Let's all hear the rhythm and feel it. Marcos is blessed with the golden voice of his father and his mother.
Don't make any promises. Get it, try it. Right when you want me to. Watch out, watch me burn. Right when you want me to. Dance the line, a little boy. Touch the world, so pretending. Forget, watch me burn. Say what you think.
On the new campaign ad of Hell Energy Drink of Michele, it said that this is your city, your pulse, your playground, the key to everything. This is true value. Your choice, your move. The sign that opens every door. This is the moment when everyone knows who rules, when the night is yours. This is not just a drink. This is our common language. This is Hell. Cheers. Hell City is the atmosphere that surrounds us day by day, the rhythm of our everyday lives, our hustle, our peace, our ambitions, the moments we live again and again, a world without compromise, shaped only by the highest standards. Let's all watch the behind the scene of the new campaign ad of Hell Energy Drink. Credit to all the owners of the videos and photos. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 74 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. How strong is your love? Is it more powerful than your deepest fear? The quality of your love is not about what you need or how desperately you want something or the pain that you feel from disappointment. It's about what you give, what you stand for, and what you believe in. Love means having integrity, and integrity means having strength, fortitude, and being unbreakable. And that is what makes your love fierce. The kind of love you seek starts with where you are in your journey to know and believe in yourself. Who you think you are becomes who you are unconsciously attracted to. That's why so many people are drawn to each others with similar traumas, struggles, or weaknesses. They want to feel connected, understood and supported without feeling judged or ridiculed. The problem that we might be unaware of is that even if we feel like we have become stronger and more confident over the years, our unhealed emotional wounds, the victim still hiding deep inside us, will keep revealing itself when our core traumas are triggered. That's when the quality of our love and integrity is tested within ourselves and for others, in how we overcome our pain and choose to lead with love. The easy way to tell where you are on your journey of love is by looking at the way that you protect and sacrifice for those you love. What are you willing to do to make someone feel safe and loved? Do you protect their feelings, their self-esteem, what they care about? Are you willing to protect them from even yourself, especially when you are struggling with our biggest fears or overwhelming emotions? If you want love, if you say you love, then always show up with love and let it give you courage. If you do that, then you deserve a love as strong and as fierce as your own. By Joel Clemons.